Next one, we have to find the derivative of e raised to x into sine 5x. So take y. Y is equal to e raised to x into sine 5x. What we have to do? There are two functions. E raised to x is there and sine 5x is there. So dy by dx will be equal to first function. What's the first function? E raised to x into derivative of sine 5x is cos 5x. Again, we have to take the derivative of 5x, which is 5, plus second function sine 5x into, and what about e raised to x? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. Okay, this is just dy by dx. Again, we have to find d square y by dx square. What we have to do? We have to take the derivative of this term and also this term. Can you see in the first term itself there are two functions. E raised to x is a function, cos 5x is a function. 5 is a constant. So what we have to do is 5 into, we are opening a bracket as we are going to apply product rule. Again, first function e raised to x into derivative of cos 5x is minus sine 5x into derivative of 5x is 5, plus second function. What is the second function? Cos 5x into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. In this bracket, I just applied product rule for e raised to x into cos 5x. Okay. Plus, what about the second term? Second term is sine 5x into e raised to x. There also we have to apply product rule. So, first function sine 5x into derivative of the second is e raised to x plus second function e raised to x into derivative of sine 5x is cos 5x into derivative of 5x is 5. Okay, again the only thing is just to simplify. So if I open the bracket, that the first term will be 5 into 5, 25, and there is a negative sign here. So minus 25 e raised to x into sine 5x. Okay, minus 25, minus is there, 5 into 5, 25, e raised to x and sine 5x. What about the second term? 5 is there for this term also. So second term is 5 into e raised to x into cos 5x. Plus, what about the third term? That is just e raised to x into sine 5x. And the last term constant is there 5. So, I am writing it at first 5 into e raised to x into cos 5x. There are 4 terms and there are like terms also. E raised to x sine 5x, e raised to x sine 5x. This is minus 25. Coefficient is minus 25 and here it is 1. Minus 25 plus 1 gives you minus 24 into e raised to x into sine 5x. And again, these are also pairs, e raised to x into cos 5x, e raised to x into cos 5x. Just add the coefficients. 5 plus 5 will give you 10 into e raised to x into cos 5x. If you want, you can take e raised to x common and write as e raised to x into minus 24 sine 5x plus 10 cos 5x. This is d square y by dx square. That's the second derivative.